Hello, sir.
Ah, Good afternoon, Mr. Nimesh.
Good
Congratulations.
afternoon, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
So we are proud to have you. I think
Yes,
you
sir.
secured All India first rank
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
by mechanical engineering. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Briefly about yourself.
Sir, I am Nimesh Chandra. I did my BTech from IIEST Sipur, West Bengal in 2018 in
Hmm,
mechanical engineering.
hmm,
Then through GATE 2020, I get into Indian Oil, and later
hmm.
in ESE 2020, I got Central Power Engineering Services. And I
Okay.
am currently working in CA
Hmm.
in Central Power Engineering Services through Engineering Service 2020. And presently, I am deputed in NTPC from CA. And as when Railway has announced this vacancy, then I decided to apply for Engineering Services again for 2025, and now I got rank one.
Okay. So Indian Railways motivated you to take the pain again
Yes, sir, sure.
because
Actually,
already you are in a very good job, decent job.
yes, sir. Sir, actually, since college time, I was fully sure that I have to get into railway. But in engineering survey 2020, as you already know, that post
Correct,
prelims
correct, correct.
examination, the railway vacancy was taken back. So at that time, that was heartbreaking moment. But when this time railway vacancy was included in engineering services, I quickly
So
filled the
railways
form
is
and
your
started.
dream job.
Yes,
Railways
sir,
is
yes, sir,
your dream job.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So coming to your preparation strategy, in prelims you have a general studies and engineering aptitude for 200
Yes,
marks.
sir,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Uh, which subjects or which topics you focused more?
Sir, as we know, sir, for mechanical engineer, few topic like you say like material science, project
Project
management,
management.
quality, engineering
Hmm.
drawing, these are overlapping topics in technical also. So
Hmm.
first of all, I decided to complete these topics, including maths and aptitude, which are coding. So I have decided to do these things. And from coaching material, I have covered all other topic like ethics, current affairs, and all.
What about current affairs?
So current affair, I used to read Indian Express newspaper, and that helped me. But in this year, that not much question from current affair was asked.
Hmm. I think general studies paper this time is relatively easy compared to previous
Easy.
years.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So coming to your technical preparation, uh, what is the preparation strategy for objective multiple choice questions in prelims? Technical.
Sir, for multiple choice questions, sir, first we must have good basic,
Hmm.
and from that we need to solve as much as previous year question and test series. AS
Okay.
Academy test series helped a lot to me in my
Hmm.
preparation journey. That is a plus point from.
Okay. So the previous gate questions are also useful.
Yes, sir. Even I also cleared this year 2025 GATE All India Rank 3. So
Hmm.
GATE preparation also helped me. I don't take anything like MTech or PSU from GATE, but I filled GATE examination just to be prepared for engineering services. So you
Okay.
are exactly correct that GATE examination helped me a lot in cracking this.
So it's a launching pad. Gate is a
Yeah,
launching
yeah,
pad for
yeah.
engineering
Yes,
services
sir.
exam.
Yes, sir.
So what is the difference between the preparation for prelims objective and mains paper subjective questions? What is the basic difference?
Sir, in means we have to have good command in subjective questions.
Hmm.
A lot of subjective questions. We need to practice a lot of subjective questions. But in prelims paper, we have to quickly solve the question and without the use of calculator as well,
Yeah.
because there is no calculator in prelims examination, and sometimes they ask very tricky question or very calculative question. So we need to work hard on calculation also, but question level is more or less moderate in prelims. But this time you have seen mains question is a bit tricky for in every branch also. So
Hmm.
for me, I have done postal coaching from ACE Academy, and the book, the material that ACE Academy provide is
Yeah,
a
yeah.
way.
Postal coaching.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes, sir. That helped me a lot, and I have done a lot of tests in mains as well as prelims. That is also a good point for me to
How
get in.
you practiced these subjective questions? Daily, did you practice writing an answer? Because the space is limited na? In the
Yes, sir.
answer
Yes, sir.
booklet. Uh,
Sir,
Question come answer booklets.
Sir, first, I used to see few answers from coaching material of ACE Academy and 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 other book, standard book also.
Hmm.
So from there, I get idea that how to write, because if we just solve, then we cannot get much marks. We just
Correct.
solve, we just get answer that doesn't fetch you a good marks. But
Hmm.
we need to have a proper writing, proper step by step writing, so that we achieve good marks. And apart from that, we need to write some note at the end of some conclusive point. That is much helpful for me. And we need to regularly practice the tricky topics, the difficult topics for subjective, because if we don't practice much, and in examination time we have very limited time, and if you don't have much practice, it will be very difficult for you to solve all the paper, all the
So
questions.
speed and accuracy both are
Yeah,
important.
yeah. So
Uh,
we need to practice a lot for subjective questions.
See, one side you are working and the other side you have to prepare. How you could adjust your timings?
So I firstly cut down from all the social media things,
Uh,
and I divided my time throughout the day in few parts. Like after job, I used to study for few hours, and in the morning also I used to study for few hours. That is a positive thing. Like if after coming out from job, everybody is exhausted. So
mhm.
if I started to only study after coming from job, then it will be very difficult for me to be so much efficient. Understanding, sir? So I just break my study in two parts. Like after coming from job, I study for 3 4 hours, and in the
Hmm.
morning I wake up early and then study for 2 3 hours, and this helps me.
Okay. So from this answer, social media diverse.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very true. See, nowadays the screen time, not only students, even elders also, is crossing 5 to 6 hours a day screen time.
Yes, sir.
So once you can manage the screen time, naturally you'll find enough time for preparation for anything,
Yes, sir.
not only teaching, not only as a student, for
Yes, sir.
other business
Exactly.
people also. Okay, so Mr. Nimesh, what is your advice to a student pursuing his BTech mechanical or who joined very recently BTech mechanical? Because nowadays mechanical means waste, civil means waste,
Yes,
electrical
sir.
means waste. This is the mindset of 90% of the students and parents in India. What is your answer?
Sir, Sir, my advice to those is that firstly focus on basic. Sir, basic is very much important for these examination, these big examination. You have clear cut, good strength, good foundation, good command in your basic. So during when someone is in college, he must study standard books,
Hmm.
practice a lot from those books. That is very much important, sir. Without strong foundation, because in prelims you know that a lot of theoretical question are in mains, a lot of subjective question and theoretical both are in interview, also a lot of theoretical and conceptual question are asked. So basic is very much, and apart from that one should do continuous revision, because the syllabus is so vast and lot of subject one have to study. So if we don't revise continuously, we may forget the past subject. So continuously revision and test series.
No, my question is in a different way. No
Mhm.
jobs for mechanical students. This is the general. That is why we all are pursuing computer science and allied
Okay,
branches.
okay, sir.
In that direction, do you
Okay, okay,
encourage the
I understand.
students to take up mechanical at all?
No, sir. I think in India, actually, India just skip the manufacturing sector. Like India from agriculture sector to service sector, directly jump to service
Yeah.
sector. So there is huge scope, and government is also focusing on Make in India. So a lot of manufacturing company, production-based company is coming, and they strongly demand mechanical engineers and core engineers. And I also suggest that mechanical engineers should not stick to their code domain only. They must have a few idea of AI and other domain also, like interlinking of disciplines, so that it will give them edge in their career.
Yeah, interdisciplinary approach, not only mechanical,
Yeah,
electrical, civil, they should understand the trending technologies related to their branch. Then they will have
exactly,
better future. Very good.
exactly.
So AI integration with the mechanic. Excellent, excellent. For a college going student, which year is the better one to start preparation?
Sir, after second year, I think one must start preparation. But
Very good.
for me, sir, I also suggest that one should keep on studying basic properly in each first year, from first year also, and from third year he or she must start focusing much in at the point to crack gate and engineering services examinations.
Hmm. Very good, Mr. Nimesh. See, along with you, there may be some students have written for engineering services. Your classmates may be there also. You are successful, some people are unsuccessful. What may be the reason, or what is the difference between a success and non-successful?
Sir, I think there is not much difference because a lot of my friend has prepared well for this examination, and as you know, the competition is huge and the seats are less, so they may miss by few marks, few numbers. But I think this is not the end of everything. They can go elsewhere. There is lot of opportunity available in India. They can do much better in their other domain also. So I suggest them to don't be demotivated and keep doing. And again, we have next year also that those who have attempts level, then they can crack next year as well.
Thank you, Nimesh. See, you are in such a busy, tight schedule. I think you are in the airport now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, your precious time to give us interview. Definitely, it will be helpful to at least one of the student. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Exactly.
Thank you. God bless you, Mr. Nimesh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Bye.
Thank